In previous lecture, we have discussed about rules for image formation by concave mirror. Today, we have discussed about the tabulation of image formation by a concave mirror. So, here there are 6 possibilities. First one is position of object, second one is position of image, and third one is size of image, and fourth one is nature of image. So, here are in serial numbers from 1 to 6. We put 6 positions or 6 different positions where we put the object and get the image of the object. So here first position is when the object is placed at infinitive, second is when the object is placed at principal focus, and when object is placed at center of curvature C, third when we put the object beyond C or between C and infinitive, and fifth, here we put the position between C and F, and sixth between P and F. Here you can see that these 6 possibilities of image formation by a concave mirror. When object is placed at infinitive, we get the position of image at principal focus F, and size of image is here highly diminished or point size, and nature of the image will be real and inverted. At second position, when we place the object at F, again is just opposite to first condition, we will get the image position at infinitive. Image here is highly enlarged, and again here nature is real and inverted. Now when we place the object at C, we get the position of object image is also at C. Here size of image is equal in size to object, and nature is real and inverted. When you put the object beyond C or between C and infinitive, we get image between C and F or between F and C, and here size is diminished size or smaller than object, and nature is real and inverted. When you put object between C and infinitive, we get position beyond C, and here size is enlarged size, and nature is real and inverted. Only this condition 6, we put the object between P and F, we get image behind the mirror. Size is enlarged, but nature is virtual and erect. It is the only condition for a concave mirror, the image is virtual and erect. So students, in this lecture we have discussed the 6 conditions of image formation by concave mirror. In next lecture we will discuss or draw ray diagram of these 6 conditions. So today, thank you for class.